you and see what's some questions for anybody on the panel is. Do I see any hands at all? Here's a hand right here. Yes, sir.
Mr. Fishwipe?
Yeah. Mr. Fishwipe.
Well, I was on a Colombo 2 mini clipper, and the wind suddenly changed when I was distracted by the brie which I was setting up for my friends. The mainmast Jerry swung around at 72 degrees, hit me on the head, walloping me into the next boat where I was not welcome. Needless to say, the ship I had been manning, figuratively, rammed into a pleasure boat taking 13 Austrian schoolgirls to their untimely demise.